We're making pumpkin pie here. And the first thing you need is some coffee with some cream.
Coffee and cream. Oh. Okay.
And this is your run-of-the-mill, buy this in the store pie crust.
That's right. Yeah.
What do you got this preheating to what?
425.
425? Okay. How long was this whole process take?
It's taken an hour.
Okay.
Maybe a few minutes longer. Has to cook 15 minutes and it has to cook 30 minutes. So that's 45 minutes.
What you doing here?
I'm making a pie crust.
You pinching?
Yeah.
How you pinching it?
They call it fluting.
Fluting?
Mm-hmm.
Is that with a U or two O's?
Flute. F-L-U-T.
Okay. F-L-U-T. I didn't know that.
Didn't know it was fluting?
No. I didn't know there was a name for it. That's kind of...
Okay.
Ooh, looks pretty. Fluting. I've done that before with a pizza.
Ah, okay. All right. Now, Ted's probably going to open 2 cans of this for me, and I'm going to beat up the eggs.
Okay.
And I use the old-fashioned Libby's famous pumpkin pie recipe that I've been using since 1954.
Since 1954? Wow.
Yeah. That's why I'm sick of making pumpkin pie.
Yeah?
Okay, 2 eggs beaten. That's what I've got.
Okay.
Ted's going to open 1 can of pumpkin and 1 can of
Evaporated milk.
I'm going to beat
Vitamin
my eggs
D at it.
and put in some sugar, salt, cinnamon, and ginger.
You're going to add what? What was it?
Sugar, salt, cinnamon, and ginger.
Okay. All right, here's the pause. As we pause our video.
Okay.
Okay, since we've been gone.
2 eggs beaten. Now I'm going to put in 3/4 cup sugar.
3/4 cup sugar.
And I'm measuring it out in this 3/4 cup measure, which I can never lose because it's about 30 years old, and you can't find measuring cups with a 3/4 cup measure.
No, not such a round, pretty one.
And then I need, let's see, I need cinnamon. Okay, you can stop for a minute while I got my stuff out here. Sugar, cinnamon, salt.
No, I like your little organization over here. Let's see, cinnamon should be in the front.
Can you see it there? I don't see it. It's not there. Where would the cinnamon be?
Cinnamon.
I lost my...
What is it got, a red top?
It probably should be along here, but I...
That's, I don't know. That
chili powder. Ground cinnamon.
Is that it? Oh, that's a big one.
Okay. 3/4 cup cinnamon. Or 3/4 spoon.
3/4 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Cinnamon? Okay.
That's good enough. A little bit of salt, I think. A little bit of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
I see it up there. It's over there. It's in the corner on the left.
Oh.
There it is.
Salt. Cinnamon. Sugar. Oh, ginger. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger.
Ginger, okay. There it is.
There it is.
Ginger powder? Powder, right?
Yeah, use it in ginger cookies.
Whoa.
Ginger snaps.
Don't use too much of that stuff. You got that overflowing there. Is that what it
It
says?
says a fourth of a teaspoon, and my recipe says a half a teaspoon.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you don't add too much. You kind of have that.
And then cloves.
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 Okay, 425.
Fourth teaspoon cloves.
Fourth.
Not so much cloves. But they smell good.
Ah, okay. Boy, that's not so much at all. You know, it's amazing how you can do that so quick.
What's that mean?
I'm glad this video I put on YouTube where you can slow it down and maybe you can see how much you put in that thing.
Okay, now let's see what else I need. Okay, let's stir all this up. I have to put in my pumpkin next.
Pumpkins next. Okay, that's open. Use the spoon to get that out.
Okay, preheat oven, mix filling, pour into pie shell. Oh, okay, so
Where's the... So we're putting in the pumpkin, we're mixing that in, and then we're adding evaporated milk.
yeah, we could have put the pumpkin in sooner, but it doesn't make any difference.
Okay.
One way or another.
You don't like pumpkin pie, Mom?
I love pumpkin pie.
Boy, I thought you said you were sick of it. Well, I guess
Well,
you made it this long that you must love it.
I've made a lot of pumpkin pies. Okay.
All right. There, you're not going to the Y today, so this is your exercise.
My exercise.
I mean, mix it for a while. I'm going to mix it for a while.
No,
Hold
wait,
on.
I'm gonna put more stuff in.
So I'm going to stop and mix.
Libby's pumpkin, sugar, salt, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, evaporated milk, 13 ounces.
13 ounces. Okay, and what's that say? That says 12.
Well,
That's close enough.
because since 1954 to now, they've made the
Oh,
cans
okay.
smaller.
Oh, okay. So this is it. This is the pumpkin pie filling. This is the big secret recipe that you've been hiding since 1954.
Right.
And you got it out of what, a cookbook?
I don't know where that came from.
But it's Libby's?
Oh, you know what? I think it came off the Libby's can.
Off the Libby's can, okay.
Libby's pumpkin can.
Libby, on the label, you will like it. Don't take
You can
it.
answer that if you want to.
Nah. But we can pause.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. What's going on now? We mix this really well. You can make a cool pattern in here. I like that pattern it makes.
Okay.
We got that.
Now, this pie shell is just a little bit smaller than it should be. This is probably a 6 to 7 inch, and it should be an 8 or 9 inch. So I made a little thing that I'll put the extra in here.
Okay.
But we'll see what happens, okay? I think we can put this in the oven. I'll just pour it right in, and I don't have to move it.
You gonna put it in the oven and then pour?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do.
What year you figure this out?
The first year I made it, just about spilled it all over the floor.
Oh, okay. So it's easier to pour in. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Ooh, that's gonna be great. That's how you make it, huh? Wow.
Okay.
So we got a little extra.
Yeah. I don't know if this is big enough, but we'll give it a try. Oh,
Not big enough.
not big enough. Well, let's see. I don't know what to do with the rest of it now.
Ooh, I bet. You know, you could probably put some more in there.
I don't
That's-
think so.
I do. You
Yeah.
remember? I remember that science experiment where they tell you
Don't put any more in.
when they put drops, you put drops and then it goes way over just because
Oh,
of the
yeah.
surface temperature.
What do they call it?
Surface tension. Okay.
Okay, this is good. Okay, it's gonna cook at 425 for 25 minutes.
25.
Or maybe 15. $15.
15 minutes. Okay. Cool. A starter?
Yep. And then we turn it to 350 for 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So let's change up to that. Okay.
Okay. And then
Okay, so here's what you do with the extra. Use that spoon over there and you drink it. That's what I was thinking you would. I could do, but apparently I'm
tastes
not the
pretty
first
good.
one to think of it. It's like liquid pumpkin
You can-
pie.
Yeah, you can get your own spoon. You don't have to use I'm not throwing that away. It tastes really good.
No, I believe you. I'm gonna drink it probably.
Okay, now we're gonna get out some shrimp.
Okay.
And
Happy Thanksgiving, Mom.
Thank you, Ted. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Then we'll get out the shrimp and we might get out some snacks and then we're gonna play cribbage. Pretend like we're having a big party. Okay?
Okay.
All right.